chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, up, down, down. You got used to the rhythm of everything, just kind of being one or the other, binary, binary, binary. And then all of a sudden I threw sideways, and everyone, okay. The author's doing the same thing in the writing. Rhyme, rhyme, rhythm, rhythm, rhyme, rhyme, rhythm, rhythm, velvet head. Bird turns velvet head. Wait a minute, that doesn't rhyme. Your brain goes, whoa, 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 slow down, what happened? Does that make sense? Kind of? Okay. It's what we do in other forms of writing also. It's not unique to poetry, but poets like to do this. And they do this not just in wording like this, but also in different, they're very, like some things that are very, very difficult to perceive right away. And we'll see these later on in what we call feet, which are very small little ways of pronouncing words in a poem. In this case, she does this. Gets your attention. These are just some things to do. Okay, plashless, notice it has a, we call it a bottom note, I'm sorry, a bottom note, footnote. A footnote is when you have a little note on the bottom, where the foot of the page is, okay? So there's a little footnote. What does splashless mean? What does splashless mean? Okay, without splash. Yeah, without splash, without water. Have you ever splashed your cousin or something like that, or your friend?
Yeah.
In a pool or something like that, or with a water gun, splashed it. Splashless. So I don't know why. I don't have an understanding for that. I don't remember exactly, but she uses splashless. Maybe that's just maybe she's being, I don't know. Okay. So why write this poem?
I think maybe that the writer wants to let the birds symbolize into a group of people that they have no home, like vagrant.
Okay, so the vagrant. So the bird is like a vagrant, and it's excellent. That could be it. And then the person disturbs the vagrant runs away. Okay, excellent. Anything else? Anybody else? What?
I think she's going to imply what kind of people who are struggling to survive.
Okay. So people are struggling to survive. So he ate the worm. He's ate it raw without cooking it, and then and the beetles coming through. So he's living life. It's like something like humans are animals too, right? We need food. We need everything else animals need, including sleep and relaxation, and we get panicked too, right? Maybe this is all true. All can be true. Now, there's something that I have that you don't. There's something I have that you don't. I've been reading Emily Dickinson for quite a while. I'm not an expert on her, but I like Emily Dickinson. I've read more of her poems than I bet most of you, I'm sure, all of you have. Okay? So one of the things I have is I know things that she's written from other things, from what she's written before, that I can look at this and I can say, oh, it's another example of this. Does that make sense, kind of? How many people in here have read Shakespeare? Anything? A poem, a play, okay. But you're not experts on Shakespeare because you wrote one Shakespeare, right? I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I'm more of one than you. Because you're just starting right now, okay? I know about the forwards and the capital letters and the dashes and all that stuff, okay? But I'm trying to give you a base so you will know about that also. What I want you to do is I want you not to solve this right now. What do these mean? What does this mean? I want you to solve it over time as we go through the other poems, especially the format and the capitalization, the punctuation, that kind of stuff. I want you to be able to go, oh, okay, this is her style, this is what she's meaning here. And it'll make more sense when you start reading the poems. Does that make sense, kind of? You're learning Emily Dickinson, the way she writes. You're learning how she writes, not just what she thinks, but how she describes things, her style. Okay? All right. How much time do we have? 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're done. The next poem is going to be, what is it? 449. So please read this. No, you know what? Don't read this. We'll read this on Wednesday. We don't have class tomorrow, right? Yeah. We'll read this on Wednesday. So 449, it's on page 1179. Don't read it. Well, read it if you want. If you want to read it, you can read it. If you don't want to read it, you don't have to read it. We'll go over it on Wednesday and just know that if you read it, you may not understand it because it's based on another famous poem that was written long ago called Ode to a Grecian Urn. I'll write it on the board. Ode to a Grecian Urn. And if you try to read this poem, it's a beautiful poem, but it's very difficult. Okay? But it's a very famous poem. And ultimately it says, truth is beauty, and beauty is truth. Anything that is true is truly beautiful. Anything that is beautiful is very true.
We have the poem on this book.
We'll talk about it maybe. We'll talk about it on Wednesday. You can look it up. It won't, yeah, it might be in this. No, I don't think it'll be in this book. I think it might be in like the World Anthology. But if not, you can find it online like that. It'll be everywhere. They'll have copies everywhere. Okay? Have a good lunch. Have a good lunch. Have a good lunch.